Ever dreamt of making money while you sleep? Who hasn't, right? Well, get ready to turn that dream into reality. We're talking about passive income, where your money works for you, not the other way around. In this video, we will unveil 7 game-changing ideas that can help you rake in extra cash every week. And hey, if you're as pumped as we are about these money-making gems, show us some love by hitting that like and subscribe button. Let's dive into the world of passive income together. Idea number 1. Automate a side hustle. Turning your skills into a side hustle that generates income even when you're not actively working is a powerful way to maximize your earnings. Imagine you're skilled at crafting handmade jewelry. You create a line of unique necklaces and list them for sale on an e-commerce platform. Each necklace sells for $50. If you manage to sell 50 necklaces over the course of a few months, you would earn $2,500. The key here is to invest time and effort upfront to create a product or service that has ongoing earning potential. Once set up, you can continue selling without constant involvement, essentially automating the income stream. This concept resembles an author writing a book and earning royalties on every sale, or a musician creating a song that generates streaming revenue. The significance of this idea is that it leverages your skills to create a sustainable income source beyond the traditional 9-to-5 job. Idea number 2. Make online content. Creating online content, such as videos, blog posts, or social media content, offers a pathway to monetizing your expertise and passions. Let's say you have a passion for fitness and decide to start a YouTube channel where you share workout routines and health tips. As your channel gains subscribers and views, you can earn money through various avenues. For example, if your channel accumulates 100,000 subscribers, you could earn around $2,000 per month through ad revenue. Additionally, fitness-related companies might approach you for sponsorships or collaborations, offering payment for featuring their products in your videos. You could also create and sell fitness guides or merchandise to your dedicated audience. This idea is akin to a food enthusiast starting a cookie blog that generates income through ads, sponsored recipes, and cookbook sales. The importance here is that your content has the potential to reach a wide audience, and as your following grows, so does your income potential. Idea number 3. Invest in stocks. Investing in stocks is a way to become a part owner of a company and potentially benefit from its growth and success. Imagine you decide to invest in a company like Amazon. By purchasing Amazon stocks, you acquire a share of ownership in the company. As Amazon's business expands, its value and profitability may increase, which can lead to the appreciation of your stock's value. For instance, if you invest $1,000 in Amazon when its stock price is $2,000 per share, you would own 0.5 shares. If Amazon's stock price increases to $2,500 per share, the value of your investment would grow to $1,250. This showcases the potential for your money to multiply over time through stock market growth. Investing in stocks requires research and understanding of the companies you're investing in, as well as awareness of market trends. The importance of this idea lies in the potential for substantial returns over the long term. Companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Google have seen their stock prices rise significantly over the years, offering investors the opportunity to earn substantial profits. Before we dive into the next idea, let's take a quick moment. If you're finding these money-making strategies as exciting as I am, give that thumbs up button a little love and hit that subscribe button too. That way, you won't miss out on any of the incredible tips coming your way. Done? Okay, let's proceed to the next one. Idea number 4. Start private investing. Engaging in private investing involves providing capital to startups or businesses in exchange for ownership equity. Suppose you identify a promising tech startup and decide to invest $10,000 for a 5% ownership stake. If the startup gains traction and its value rises, your ownership could become more valuable over time. The significance of this idea lies in the potential for high returns on your investment. Early investors in companies like Tesla or Airbnb reaped substantial profits as these startups transformed into industry leaders. By recognizing innovative ventures and offering financial support, you position yourself to earn more than you might with traditional investment options. This concept is similar to venture capitalists who invest in early-stage companies, but it's accessible to individuals who have a keen eye for promising startups. It's a way to diversify your investment portfolio and potentially reap substantial rewards as these startups succeed. Idea number 5. Real estate investment. Investing in real estate involves purchasing properties with the intention of generating rental income or capital appreciation. Let's say you decide to buy a rental property for $200,000. After factoring in expenses like mortgage payments, property management, and maintenance, you're left with a monthly profit of $500 from rental income. Over time, as the property's value appreciates, you could sell it for $250,000, earning a capital gain of $50,000. The importance of this idea is that it provides both short-term rental income and the potential for long-term wealth accumulation through property appreciation. Real estate investment is like owning a small business where the property serves as your asset generating income. With proper management, you can benefit from consistent rental payments while also enjoying the potential windfall when selling the property at a higher value. Idea number 6. Rent out your stuff. Have you ever considered that the things you own but only use occasionally could actually be making you money? Think about that high-quality camera you invested in for capturing special moments. It's sitting there most of the time, right? Now, imagine this. You put it up for rent at $20 a day on a popular rental platform. Let's crunch some numbers to make this even clearer. If your camera gets rented out for about 10 days in a month, which is quite achievable for a desirable item, you're looking at an extra $200 in your pocket per month without lifting a finger. To put it into perspective, that's like paying for a monthly gym membership, but instead, you're letting your camera pay for itself. And remember, you don't need to buy anything new. You're simply capitalizing on the value you already own. This concept follows in the footsteps of Airbnb, where hosts lease out their spare rooms or properties for additional income. So, whether it's your camera, power tools, camping equipment, or even a drone, there are people willing to pay to use them. It's a smart way to turn your seldom used belongings into steady, reliable income sources. Idea number 7. Develop an app or software. Creating and monetizing a mobile app or software solution taps into the digital age's immense potential. Suppose you develop a subscription-based productivity app that helps users manage their tasks more efficiently. You offer a free version with basic features and a premium version for $10 per month with advanced functionalities. If your app gains 10,000 active subscribers within a year, you would earn $100,000 annually. The key here is to identify a problem your app solves and ensures it offers value that users are willing to pay for. The significance of this idea is that a well-designed and marketed app can generate substantial recurring income. This concept is similar to the creators of popular apps like Spotify or Dropbox, which offer premium subscription tiers for enhanced features. By addressing a specific need or niche, you can attract a loyal user base willing to pay for the convenience your app provides. In conclusion, exploring passive income options can be your ticket to financial freedom and a more enjoyable life. Remember, it's about letting your money work for you, not the other way around. So, here's the million-dollar question. Which of these 7 ideas are you most excited to try out? Are you ready to let your money do the heavy lifting while you enjoy life's pleasures? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoy this money-making journey and want more creative ideas like this, don't forget to show us some love by liking and subscribing. And I'll see you in the next video.